हे गाइस, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। अच्छा, वीडियो के टाइटल देख के आपको समझ गया होगा कि मैं किसके ऊपर बात करने वाला हूँ। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू इट। द पास्ट, अ वास्ट digging ground actually, from which, depending upon whatever we are thinking, we reap misery, anger, anxiety, sorrow, or it will be the happy moments in life, which in turn make us smile. So let's jump to part 1 of this scenario. If you're thinking about something bad that has happened to you in the past, you will always see that you end up being miserable and sometimes angry at yourself or at others. If you're such a person, please stop to think. Because what will you gain in thinking about the bad times in the past? Except that we waste a whole lot of energy and eventually become grumpy and sad. Secondly, will you ever be able to change whatever that has happened to you in the past? I mean, seriously, will you be able to? Answer these two questions and you will realize that whatever you are thinking about your past or your bad times in life in the past has just led you strangled in your own past or in your own chain of thoughts. Actually, these things in the past are like a heavy parcel, very heavy parcel that is compactly arranged in the corner of our mind. And whenever it has a chance, it erupts up like a bomb, allowing us to make a khichdi out of whatever that has happened. I mean, literally. So, whatever is that you're thinking about the bad things in the past, just let go na, and move forward. Why to carry around this heavy parcel each and every day? I say to clear out that space in your head and make room for something new. Acha, if you really can't stop thinking about the past, think about the happy moments in your life, any achievements that you have made, and so on. Telling you from experience because it fills your heart with joy and gives you that motivation to achieve something even greater than what you have achieved earlier. पर as we say, ये भी नमक स्वाद अनुसार, because this also can't make a difference in your present or improve your future. So for that, I say live in the present and be happy, because it is the present where we find peace of mind and happiness. And as we all know, time passes and the present is inevitable, because no matter what you do, you will have to face reality. That is the present moment. Acha, a very interesting thing happened while making this video. While making points for this video, I was asked a very intriguing question, which was asked by one of my friends, which is, no matter what you do, the mind still relays back to the past and all this is useless, whatever you say. So an answer to that is, nobody in this world is perfect enough to keep his mind as stable in the present. It always relates back to the past and to the future as well. So what matters is that we keep our mind as stable as possible, because it is in the present moment. Whatever that we do in the present moment will shape our future and all our tomorrows. So from today, all of us will try and keep our minds in the present moment, no matter what, and you will see that in some time you are happy, stable and content in the present moment. Let's all bury our past and live in the present, because time spent in the present is well spent and well lived. It's up to you to choose whether to live in the present or in the past. Living in the past, thinking about the past, is useless, because no matter what you do, you can't do anything about it, right? It has happened, let it go. Live in the present and shape your future. That's what matters. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find this video inspiring and helpful in some way. If so, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. And please hit the bell icon so that the next time I upload a new video, you guys get notified and come and watch the video. So let's all keep our minds in the present, live in the present and be happy. With that, this is Pranav Surendran, and until the next time we meet, peace out.